Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to our second handwriting video for this week. Today we're going to be learning to write and say the capital letter R. 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 Well done. Who can tell Miss Brown what sound matches the capital letter R? Can you guess? That's right. It's robot. Stretch your sound. Robot. Just like that. So we have our capital letter R and our sound We're going to have a think about how we could write our capital letter R. It looks a bit different from our sound So what we start with is we start with a line, a straight line, from the top of our line all the way down to our bottom line. Then we do a little head and then we do a leg. Let's have a look. So, seeing if you can see it from here. Okay, a line straight down. So I started my line at the very top. I did a lovely straight line all the way down to the bottom. Now for my head. Notice I took my pen off the board. I go back up to the top and I do a little bump or a little head from the top to the bottom of the line. Then I start from the middle line and I do a straight line, looks diagonal, a diagonal straight line down to the bottom. And that's how we write the capital letter R. Now just be careful that all of this matches up in the middle so you can see it joining. Let's have another go. A straight line from the top all the way down to the bottom. Then I go back up to the top of my line, a little head round to the middle line, and a straight diagonal line down. That's how we write the capital letter R. Now you're going to do a full row of your capital letters R for lots of practice. Miss Brown's now going to go on to the sound the letter like this. Can anyone remember the rhyme that helps us to write That's right. Down his back, then curl over his arm. I wonder where I would start this letter. Do you think I'd start at the top of the line? No. Down here? No. Middle line? Yes. So, down his arm and curl, down his back and curl over his arm. You can see the difference in the size from our capital R to our So I start at the middle line, down his back, curl over his arm. Just like that. Again, I would like you to do a full row of your Now what Miss Brown is going to do is put them both together for you to have a look at the differences. So, how do I start writing my capital R? Again, where do I start, boys and girls? That's right. I start at the top of my line and I do a straight line down then what do I do? Bump or head. Start at the top, round, down to the middle line. Then I've got to do the leg, because that looks like a bit like a P just now. I've got to do my diagonal leg down to the bottom line. And remember, these two have to join up together, so there can't be a gap in between. That's how I write my capital R. Now, where do I start again? The middle line. Down his back. Curl over his arm. Just like that. One more time. And I wonder if you can talk Miss Brown through it. Here we go. That's it. Straight line down. What comes next? Yep. His head. Then the leg out the side. Good job. Start at the middle line, down to the bottom line, then curl over his arm. Just like that. Well done, boys and girls. You have learned to say and write the capital letter R. Give yourself a huge big marshmallow clap. And I'll see you all again soon. Bye.